they are disqualified. Seriously, they are disqualified from this. Do you have phones are shown there? Okay, everybody has a phone. Anybody who doesn't have a phone? No, right? But so what I would request is, I request all of you to take your phone on your left hand. Right? Also opening it up. Okay, open please. Take the post-it pad, open it. Okay? In every table there is a set of chisel markers. Select your favorite color. Okay, please ensure that there is a small sticky portion here, right? Small sticky portion. वो sticky portion को ऐसा फोन के ऊपर रखें ताकि इसमें कोई चिपकेगा. I'm writing over here. And the first thing, अगर मेरा नाम मुथु कृष्ण नायर है, I want you to put your name, stick your name in the highest possible place, and your time starts now. Okay, it starts now. Guys, get up. Okay, 3 minutes. You can jump. Stand on somewhere. Jumping, okay. The highest possible place, 3 minutes. Okay, guys, come on. 19 seconds over, you got 3 minutes. Oh, you got super efficient people, Sakshi. I think I'm getting really worried now. I'm giving them 3 minutes. All of you are done? Wow. So you're putting me in a tough situation, right? I gave 3 minutes. It's done in 20 seconds, 42 seconds, everybody is back.
We have our entire workforce to be super efficient.
Super efficient.